In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent video background using Canva and Descript. This process is a fantastic way to make your videos pop with a professional look, whether you're creating marketing content or just want to add some flair to your personal projects. First things first, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly versatile online design tool that's perfect for creating everything from social media graphics to presentations. Once you're logged in, let's dive into creating a video canvas. This will serve as the base for our video. Now, the key to making a transparent video background is using a green screen effect, so let's change the background to a green screen. Click on the video canvas, and a floating toolbar should appear. Find the color option and select the green color. This green will be used as the background, which we'll later remove to achieve our transparency effect. Next, it's time to add some video elements. On the left side menu, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on this tab to explore various elements. It's better to choose a GIF for dynamic content, but feel free to explore your options. Click See All to browse the full collection of elements. Once you've found a GIF or element that fits your needs, go ahead and add it to the video canvas. Once your design is ready, it's time to export the video. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. From there, look for the download icon. When selecting the file type, you have the option to choose either GIF or MP4 depending on your needs. After making your selection, hit the download button and wait for the download to finish. With your video downloaded, we're moving on to Descript. This tool is fantastic for editing and enhancing your video content. Start by creating a new project in Descript. Then upload the video file that you've just downloaded from Canva. On the right side, you'll see a variety of tools. Click on the Properties tab and scroll down to the Visual Effects section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the plus icon to add effects, and then select the Chroma key option. This is where the green screen background you've set will be removed, leaving you with a transparent background. By following these steps, you've successfully created a video with a transparent background using Canva and Descript. This opens up a world of possibilities for customizing content to fit any variety of backgrounds or designs. With these tools in your arsenal, you are well on your way to producing slick and professional video content that stands out. Thanks for watching and happy creating!